Bienvenidos a India. So, one of the most popular games here in India is cricket. I never tried it. I'm gonna ask these guys, they are playing here in the middle of Varanasi, to let me try how to do it.
Oh, you can see it's teaching Anna how to hold the bat. And there comes the ball. Whoa!
So you're speaking about Dalit. Can you tell us what Dalit means? Because some people doesn't know this term.
Right. Dalit means it's broken, like shattered. It means literally broken. So, but it's another term for people normally know as untouchables in India. So there's a caste system in India. There are actually 4 levels of caste system inside. So untouchables are actually outside of the caste system. So it's like the lowest of low.
I'm not really an expert in Indian constitution, but I thought that was abolished for the constitution, the caste system all. So
yes,
you are saying that this is in reality, this is not working at all.
In reality, the caste system is like more than 3,000 years old. So this it's like a way of life, like so deeply ingrained in like Indian society. So even though Indian Constitution, which is written 1949 or 1950, when India achieved the independence from Great Britain, but it says untouchability is abolished, but that's just words in the book, so you have to do something.
One banana.
चोरी चोरी नैना मेरा दिल
ये तो आता है, ये नहीं आता। ओए भंगड़ा भागो भंगड़ा।
शाम गज़ब की हंगामा खेज है,
इसका नशा ही गहरा है तेज है।
शाम गज़ब की हंगामा खेज है,
इसका नशा ही गहरा है तेज है।
जुल्फ खुली है रेशम रेशम,
सांस खुली है माथा माथा।
ये तो इशारे हैं। अक्लो होश नमी दानम, हम है दिल